And what do we have here, people? It's an MC-9, I believe is what these are called. MCI C9 or C10. What is this? What's happening to me? I see buses everywhere I go.
What are those pins?
Dude. Okay, so let's see. We can't get the GoPro to run right now. I'm gonna show you this beautiful antique. And looks like they got solar panels and everything. Hopefully they're not having like major issues.
I think she takes the picture.
They're back there checking out the engine bay. So hopefully everything's okay. But yeah, I think these are MC-9. MCI, but the model, I think.
Dog inside.
Yeah, they got doggies. It's probably, I'm gonna say it's from the 80s, but it could be all the way down to the 70s. And this is what we're gonna do. Little flight. Make a little flight. Make a little flight. And I don't want to interrupt if they're having some kind of trouble.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I don't want to come on and like, hey, I want to make a video of your bus. Yeah, but we broke down right now. Oh, sorry. And we have takeoff. Man, I think these are what you call the MCI C9. I think this is a C9. We have takeoff. Yeah, yo.
Bye-bye, boss.
Yes, solar panels.
Yeah. That is so cool.
We missed it.
No, we didn't. Stay positive. Stay positive. Oh, the drone remote. Can you get it? Stay positive, guys. Tell me, when was the last time we caught an MCI on the road?
I don't know.
A conversion?
No, I don't know.
No. One day I was so mad because I saw one like ours. The white one?
Yeah.
But already all converted. The K9 MCI Fonda, W9 MCI Butch, W9 MCI Butch, and K9 MCI Fonda. What is this? Here we go. Life is good right now. Life is good. Call DJ and let them know we're gonna be 5 minutes late because we have an MCI on site and I cannot let this one go. Please call him. He's waiting for us. Alright, it's gonna happen, guys.
Who's that, Mommy?
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
But it's so scary.
It's happening. We're getting. This is a true conversion. Like, they didn't even take out the windows. If I only knew the story behind that bus. If I only knew it. I thought he was having trouble. That's why I didn't want to talk to him. But at the end, he took off suddenly. I couldn't even get the drone to get up there on time for the takeoff. But at least we cruised along the highway for a couple of minutes next to them. Maybe on the next one, if anybody knows him, let him know we made a cool video of his coach. That's it.